Hello students, today we are going to learn in OC chapter number 4, that is business services. In this chapter we are going to learn number 1 is introduction and meaning, number 2 definition, and number 3 features. Now what do you mean by intangible? Intangible means the services which we cannot touch and are not manufactured, transport nor stock, and we cannot consume for future. As here we are going to learn 5 types of business services: banking, insurance, transport, warehousing, and last one is communication. Now in the meaning, what we are going to learn, these are those services which help in successful running of business. Without these services, the business cannot run. And these services are intangible in nature. Intangible, already we had learned what do you mean by intangible. So intangible in nature, heterogeneous, inseparable, inconsistent, perishable in nature, and they are in consumer participation. So now come to the definition point. Definition of business services. As in textbook they had given 2 definition. The first one is American Marketing Association. In this definition, what they had mentioned about the business services, the activities, benefits or satisfaction which are offered for sale or provided in connection with the sale of good. Now what they are trying to explain about the business services, in this we are going to understand about the definition is any kind of activity or any benefit or any satisfaction which businessman is offering for the sale. Now come to the second definition which has been given by Philip Kotler. In this definition he has mentioned a service is an act of performance that one party offered to another that is essentially intangible and does not result in ownership of anything. Its production may or may not be tied to a physical product. So in this definition what we are going to understand, one party offers service to other party and that is intangible and which is not result of ownership. So that's the production may not be tied to a physical product. Now let's see the features of the services which are already there in the meaning part. Now one by one we can see the feature. Number 1 is intangibility. What do you understand by the word intangibility? The intangible assets cannot touch. They don't have their physical presence. A person can only experience it, and it is provide quality service to the customer so that customer can feel the experience. Here I had given example also. For example, teaching by teachers, doctor treatment to the patients. Number 2 feature is inconsistency. There is no consistency in the service as like a physical product. Each time the service has to be performed exclusively. This means every time service provider has to modify the service accordingly. Number 3rd one is inseparability. We cannot separate the service and the service provider. The presence of service provider is there at the time of delivering service to the customer. Number 4 is perishability. The production and the consumption of the services are inseparable because storage of service is not possible. Unlike the goods, they can store for future sale. For example, an airplane can sell seats on airplane prior to the departure. And the last one is non-transferability. All the services which we are learning here are not transferable in nature. The ownership of the service cannot be transferred from service provider to the customer. And one more feature is there, that is consumer participation. As we all are aware, without consumer participation these services are not be there. So consumer participation is must in services. Without their participation, services cannot be offered. For example, seller cannot offer their service without the presence of customers. This is the assignment. You have to submit this assignment. In this assignment, what you are supposed to write: introduction, meaning, features, what we had learned today, and this you have to submit in the group, handwritten, and mention your name also.